A. Small letter A. Pink color. A for avocado. A. V. A. C. A. D. O. Avocado. A for avocado. Pink color. Orange color. B. B for ball. B for ball. This is capital letter B. This is small letter B. B for ball. Violet color. B A L L. Ball. B for ball. Violet color. Green color. C. C for candy. C for candy. Small letter C. Dark green color. C A N D Y. Candy. C for candy. Dark green color. Pink color. D. D for doll. D for doll. This is capital letter D. This is small letter D. Small letter D. Pink color. Green color. D for doll. D O L L. Doll. D for doll. Green color. Sky blue color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Capital letter E. Small letter E. E for elephant. Red color. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. E for elephant. Red color. Yellow color. F. F for flower. F for flower. Capital letter F. Small letter F. Yellow color. Brown color. Flower. F. L. O. W. E. R. S. F for flowers. Brown color. Purple color. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Capital letter G. Small letter G. Purple color. Black color. G for grapes. G R A P E S. G for grapes. Black color. Orange color. H. H for hat. H for hat. H for hat. Small letter H. Small letter H. Orange color. Brown color. H A T. H for hat. Brown color. A for avocado. B for ball. C for candy. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hat. This is capital letter A. This is small letter A. Capital letter B, small letter B. Capital letter C, small letter C. Capital letter E, small letter E. Capital letter D, small letter D. Capital letter F, small letter F. Capital letter G, small letter G. Capital letter H, small letter H. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.